Objective of this video is to list the various on-premise services that are mapped to AWS services to efficiently migrate various services from on-prem to cloud. Let's first understand what benefit we get when we migrate on-prem services to AWS cloud. First benefit that you get is implementation of modernization of current IT asset base. Since cloud commits you to be always in most recent version state, all the assets will be always up to the mark. Second, you are preparing for future requirement. Keeping in mind scalability or availability that may be needed in future, you are trying to utilize scalability and availability feature of cloud. Third, you are lowering the infrastructure cost by moving from CapEx to OpEx. Business agility is increases because your cloud environment tunes itself by adopting current business need. Disaster recovery is one of the features which is provided by cloud by ensuring that your resources are replicated across multiple regions. And finally, it provides you capability of enhancing security by providing most recent and advanced security capabilities. Now let's go and try to understand AWS Component and its utility in migration. AWS S3 and CloudFront put together provides static content distribution. You can read various different objects and store large write ones. Some of the examples of data which can reside in S3 and CloudFront are media files, images, videos, and audios. But yes, try avoiding implementation of S3 and CloudFront if you have intensive search and query requirements. Some of the examples are database and file systems. When we talk about Amazon EC2 ephemeral store, you can go and utilize it for non-persistent, rather transient updates. In other words, they will not be saved. Some of the examples are config data or temp DB, which may not be needed after some point of time. But yes, it is not good for long-term storage and typically when you want logs to be present for a longer period of time. Example is shared drives. Amazon EBS is off-instance persistent storage, which can be utilized in order to ensure that each instance comes with its own storage capability. Some of the examples are you can keep your bootable data or cluster information in Amazon EBS. But yes, it is not good for static data or web-facing content. Example of implementation can be content distribution. Next comes some of the database capable services or scenarios. Amazon SimpleDB and Amazon RDS. Amazon SimpleDB is good for querying lightweight